If you have an Amazon Kindle Colorsoft and maybe you don't want to buy books from Amazon directly, maybe you want to download public domain royalty-free books from the internet and put them on your device and you don't know how, this is the video for you. Now today we're going to plug this in to our PC and show you exactly how you drag and drop content like this over onto your Kindle Colorsoft. So let's get started. Really easy two-step process. On the right we have our Kindle with our files, and on the left we have the file we want, which is a monsters manual. What you would do is go to the Kindle over here, double click and open Documents. From there, grab your file, put it over onto your Kindle, let go, let it move, and that's it. Let's safely unplug our Kindle from here. Don't just unplug the cable, actually click disconnect first, then you can unplug the cable and you'll confirm right here D&D Monsters Manual is on our Kindle. Once you open it, it'll open perfectly normally and you can start using it right out of the gates. This is a very easy way to put content onto your Kindle. If you have a bunch of royalty-free and public domain books you maybe downloaded from Project Gutenberg, or there's just some study material or other things you want to put on here, you don't have to use Send to Kindle, although you could. All you would have to do, simply plug it in with USB, drag and drop, and everything is as easy as pie. You'll see that things that don't have the thumbnails on the front here will be the side-loaded content, and then the ones that we have are purchased and downloaded directly from Amazon, but you can have a healthy mix of both. Hope this helps. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and thanks for watching.